Hey friends, tonight I am on my own for dinner, and so I'm going to make fried rice. I'm definitely not going to get creative on this. I simply want to make the best, simple, somewhat authentic fried rice. So here's what I got. So we've got our ingredients here, and we've got our wok that I'm going to light it up. Wok is nice and hot. We're going to drizzle in a little bit of peanut oil. The first thing that's going to go into the pan is 1 egg beaten. And this will cook very quickly. Okay, so as soon as our egg is cooked, we're going to push it off to one side. Now we're going to add some day-old rice, very important, and a bit of garlic. Now this is probably more garlic than would be traditional, but I love my garlic. And now we're going to just keep everything moving. We'll leave the egg kind of over in the side there. We're going to add a little bit of MSG, just a pinch, some white pepper, and we're going to add some green onions. And then we're going to add some soy sauce. That'll bring some seasoning to the game. And once you've done that, you can stir the egg back in and kind of break it up. Oh, this looks great. A little more green onion. And I like mine spicy, so I'm going to add some crushed chili paste. And just look at this. Every kernel is perfect of rice. There's nice egg bits all the way through it. Exactly what I needed for dinner. Okay, so that was a success. This looks delicious. And yeah, and a quiet house. Oh, that is really good. I could go hungry though, using chopsticks and rice. I'm not great. Just have to get really close. Thanks for watching.